Let's face it, cleaning your pool is no one's idea of fun. It's time-consuming, repetitive, and usually gets pushed to the bottom of your to-do list. But what if your pool could clean itself, better than you ever could? That's the promise of the iGarden Pool Cleaner K80. It's a premium cordless robotic cleaner designed to keep your water spotless while you sit back and relax. No scrubbing, no scooping, just clean, clear results. You'll find the product link waiting in the description. The K80 isn't just about cleaning, it's about upgrading your entire pool experience. With smart automation, a sleek profile, and powerful internal components, it's built to handle maintenance while you focus on enjoying your pool. Whether you're entertaining or just want to wake up to clean water every day, the K80 takes care of it quietly in the background. Its design agitates and lifts debris as it moves, so a single sweep won't cut it, which is why it offers extended runtime. Options up to 8 hours to cover pools of all sizes and usage levels. No cords, no clutter, just a fully cordless system that lets you drop the K80 in and forget about it. It uses adaptive AI-Inverter technology to intelligently manage suction, scaling power where it's needed most, like walls and corners, while conserving energy elsewhere. Every element of the design is built for smart efficiency. A smooth high-volume intake, a clog-resistant trapezoid filter, a rear propulsion jet for mobility, and a durable brushless motor that balances strength with quiet operation. What makes the K80 truly hands-free is its intelligent smart AI timer mode. Choose a custom clean duration anywhere from 1 hour to max, and schedule to begin 24, 48, or 72 hours later. It then enters a low-power standby mode, waiting for your set time before kicking in. Whether you're at home or away, your pool stays clean without you lifting a finger. It's also designed to impress. With bold lines and a high-end, almost automotive aesthetic, the K80 looks as advanced as it performs. Its interface is simple and intuitive, and it offers 2 powerful modes, one for just floor and another for full pool coverage, including walls and the waterline. It climbs confidently, maintains suction strength throughout, and leaves no edge or curve untouched. Plus, with a 3-year warranty on all electronics and a no-hassle replacement policy, it's built for years of reliable use. The K80 includes thoughtful features that elevate the experience even more. A 4-liter debris bin reduces the need to empty mid-cycle, while turbo cleaning mode makes quick work of stubborn messes after storms or heavy usage. And thanks to 3D S-Path navigation, it covers your pool methodically, avoiding overlaps and missed spots for maximum efficiency. Customers love it too. The K80 holds a strong 4.7-star rating, with users praising its long runtime, powerful cleaning, and low-effort operation. Some note it's a bit heavy to lift when full, and that the retrieval system could be improved, but overall feedback highlights its reliability and game-changing convenience. At the end of the day, the iGarden K80 isn't just about clean water, it's about freedom. Freedom from manual cleaning, tangled cords, and daily upkeep. If you're ready to make pool ownership truly effortless, the K80 is ready to deliver.